Today we're going to do a simple sweet and sour chicken with stir-fry mixed vegetables. Here we have 3 chicken breasts, the sweet and sour chicken sauce and the stir-fry mixed vegetables. It's going to be served with chips and peas. First of all, we wash and dry the chicken. Once this has all been washed and dried, I'm going to cut it into small chunks. You can use just the breast as they are if you prefer. Off we go. Okay, so now I'm going to cut the chicken into pieces. And we'll cut some nice big chunks. This is optional. You can, if you want, just use the breasts as they are. Once these are cut into chunks, they just go into the cooking dish, add the sauce, and that's how simple it is to cook this dish. Last one. Now that the chicken is all cut, we just place it into the dish and we're going to add a tomato to this. Just cut up finely. This is optional again, you don't need to put the tomato in. It's just a matter of taste. Now we just add the barbecue sauce into the dish. This is just a Tesco barbecue sauce, sweet and sour sauce. I mixed that up, didn't I? So we just add the sweet and sour sauce into the dish. Place on the lid, and then this will go into the oven. We cook this on a low heat for approximately 2 hours. In that time we will prepare the chips and the stir fry. You can, if you prefer, cook this dish for a lot less time. You can cook it on a higher heat for around 45 minutes to 1 hour, but please make sure that the chicken is thoroughly cooked before serving. Okay, now doing our stir fry is all I do is use a little olive oil and make sure the gas is going. And then we just tip the stir fry into the pan. I'm not using a wok today, just the frying pan. Place on the lid and then it will just cook like that. Takes about 4 minutes. And here is the stir fry, the sweet and sour chicken. This is how it comes out of the oven, all cooked. So it's just a matter of dishing up now. And there it is, sweet and sour chicken, chips and peas, and vegetable stir fry. There's a few peppers in the stir fry, absolutely tasty and very easy to achieve. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.